As the 2024-25 NBA season gears up with training camps starting, the excitement is palpable. Spanning 30 teams, there are numerous storylines, transactions, and decisions to monitor over the coming weeks. The Boston Celtics aim to defend their 18th NBA championship title, while teams like the Atlanta Hawks have numerous internal battles and talent evaluations to resolve before tip-off. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Let's dive deep into some of the gripping narratives and key points each team is focusing on this training camp season. The Atlanta Hawks will focus on who will partner with Trae Young in the backcourt, with Dyson Daniels and Bogdan Bogdanovic being the top contenders. The defensive versatility and shooting potential of Daniels make him a strong candidate, although Bogdanovic's proven chemistry with Young also makes for a compelling case. Meanwhile, the Hawks' focus on improving their defensive efficiency, which ranked poorly last season, will be vital. In Boston, the Celtics must navigate around Kristaps Porzingis' injury and the heavy summer workload of key players like Drew Holiday and Jason Tatum. With starter minutes and management of their financial commitments on their minds, the Celtics signed Lonnie Walker for veteran bench support, addressing their depth concerns effectively. For the Brooklyn Nets, this training camp will be about the veterans buying in amidst a sweeping rebuild. Key players like Dennis Schroeder and Ben Simmons are eyeing critical roles as the team integrates a strong batch of young talent under new head coach Jordi Fernandez. Managing the balance between experience and potential will be crucial. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. In Charlotte, the task is clear but challenging. Establishing a new team identity under new management and ensuring LaMelo Ball's availability are top priorities. Head coach Charles Lee's objective is to cultivate both mental and physical competitiveness, laying the groundwork for a franchise that has had more downs than ups lately. The Bulls are grappling with a backcourt dilemma, with Josh Giddey, Lonzo Ball, and Zach LaVine all looking for minutes. Newly acquired from the Thunder, Giddey is a focal point in an evolving Bulls offense. With Ball potentially cleared to play, their backcourt dynamics could see dramatic shifts. Chicago also needs to navigate contract extensions, making October a critical month. Over in Cleveland, a stable roster offers new head coach Kenny Atkinson a smoother start. The main questions revolve around optimizing the Darius Garland-Donovan Mitchell backcourt and staggering the minutes of big men Evan Mobley and Jarrett Allen. Atkinson's task will be to maintain the defensive rigor that defined the Cavaliers last season while addressing the team's depth at key positions. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. The Dallas Mavericks have enriched their roster significantly with Klay Thompson and other acquisitions, but face the conundrum of who should start at center, Daniel Gafford or Derek Lively II. The decision has financial and strategic implications, especially with Dallas close to the first salary cap apron. The Mavericks' defense post-trade deadline improved markedly, providing some optimism heading into the new season.